Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of XAMPP on Windows 11 in 2026 step by step. XAMPP is one of the easiest ways to run PHP, MySQL, and Apache on your computer for web development. So if you want to create PHP projects, run WordPress locally, or practice MySQL databases, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. Now go to Google and search for XAMPP download. Open the official website. Here you'll see the latest XAMPP versions available for Windows, Linux, and macOS. Click the Download for Windows button. The download will begin automatically. If the download does not start, click the provided download link again. Now wait for the X installer file to finish downloading. After downloading, right-click the XAMPP installer file and click Open. If you see the User Account Control warning, click OK. Now the XAMPP setup wizard will open. Click Next. Here you'll see different components included with XAMPP such as Apache, MySQL, PHP, phpMyAdmin, Perl, Tomcat, FileZilla. For beginners, keep the default selected options. Click Next. Now choose the installation location. By default, XAMPP installs in C drive. I recommend keeping the default location. Click Next. Now select your preferred language. I'll keep the default English option. Click Next. You may also see a Bitnami information screen. Click Next again. Now begin the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your system speed. During installation, Windows Firewall may ask for permission. Click Allow Access. This is important because Apache needs firewall permission to work properly. Once the installation is completed, you'll see the message. Completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Keep the option checked. Do you want to start the control panel now? Then click Finish. The XAMPP control panel will now open. Inside the XAMPP control panel, click Start next to Apache, MySQL. If both services turn green, congratulations, XAMPP is running successfully. You'll also see the port numbers beside them. That means your local server is active. Now open your browser again. Type localhost and press Enter. If the XAMPP dashboard appears, that means you installed XAMPP successfully on Windows 11. To open phpMyAdmin, click phpMyAdmin from the dashboard. Here you can create and manage MySQL databases easily. If you want to open the XAMPP control panel later, open Start menu. Search for XAMPP control panel. Click Open. Simple as that. So guys, this is how you can install XAMPP on Windows 11 in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more web development tutorials. In upcoming videos, I'll also show you how to create a PHP project, how to use phpMyAdmin, how to install WordPress on localhost, and how to fix common XAMPP errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.